Alright guys, man's back with a video. The first video with audio in it. So come on, can I get a like for that? Come on. So today, you seen the title, you seen the thumbnail, you know what I'm talking about. I'm telling you, you guys, you young guys, preferably teenagers and that, around like 14 to like 18, 19, and I'm going to tell you the best way to get more girls. Well, the best way, if not one of the best ways to get more girls in 2021. So I want you to look at these two pictures, yeah? This one and this one. I want you in the comments to tell me which one out of these two you think gets more girls. In fact, you don't need to do that. This one here, fam, you can tell already, he's broke, he's tiny, got no muscle, no nothing, fam. You know for a fact he's walking up to a girl, he's getting pied instantly, fam. But this guy here, this is Mr. Steal Your Girl, fam. Come on. You know what I'm talking about. You already know the best way to get girls in 2021, working out, fam. It's not even just the fact that you look good and all that shit, but that's mainly the best part in it. But it's the fact that like a girl can see that you're on your grind in it, when you're trying to be successful, fam. That's the best way to get girls. You gotta be successful, fam. With girls, like they can look good and get guys in it, but if a guy's got no success, he's nothing, got no ambition, nothing going on, he's gonna get no girls, fam. That's the number one way you can get girls in 2021. Work out, of course, and you gotta be successful, man. Come on. And then, before you even think about clicking off the video, you gotta make sure you subscribe, you like the video, and every time you watch one of my videos, your dick goes an inch. So if you're at 3 inches right now, watch 6 of my videos, 9 inches, I promise you. I promise you from quick maths. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.